How to delete transaction history on Moneygram. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and install the Moneygram app if you don't have it. Once installed, the app will appear on your phone screen. Tap the Moneygram app to open it and log in with your details correctly. After signing in, the Send Money page will appear. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. This will display options like Track plus Receive, Transaction History, and more. Select Transaction History, where you'll see your most recent transactions. Click on this sign greater than to view the full details of a transaction. On the Details page, you'll see options: Delete Transaction, Send Again, and View Full Receipt. Tap on Delete Transaction to remove it from your history. Repeat the process for any other transactions you want to delete. That's how to delete transaction history on Moneygram. Thanks for watching.